And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. If this is not the most ridiculous set to introduce a video, I don't know what is. The last couple minutes have been absolute chaos getting all the cars outside. So the Hamilton collection is gonna be here momentarily. They are rolling 7 deep. I have no furniture, I have no beds. This morning's been absolutely chaotic. They should be here in about 15 minutes. When I think about beautiful moments on the channel, this right here, Oscar's looking so majestic in between the Murcielago, the Aventura, the Huayra, the Veyron, the Chiron, the A12, the Senna, and of course the Espada. So later this evening, we are going to Utah's biggest supercar and hypercar show, quite possibly ever. It is gonna be so much fun. We have a bunch more cars coming here to the house. So today's gonna be a very, very chaotic day. I mean, already having all these cars here, like what happened? What sequence of events led to this? Hey, come on, buddy, go, 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 go. They're here. They finally made it. Oscar is so excited. I'm not gonna give you quite the same warm welcome. What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? What's up? How's it going, dude? Oscar is so excited. You got all these friends. How was the flight?
What a beautiful dog. It was great. I forgot my Chiron. I left it in the gate.
We can go buy you clothes. We got to buy a lot of things at the house, right?
More Target runs.
Yeah, more Target runs. You're good. You're good. You're good. Wow, Oscar, I see how it is, bud. Am I being replaced, Flufa? Yeah, this is a good day. Tommy shows up, and 5 seconds later, he's in the Murcielago.
We did it.
Ultimate dream car. Enjoy it. There's nothing like it. It might be my favorite car to drive.
Oh my gosh,
Keep it safe. You know, Alex, when I think about the video and what the audience wants to hear, probably should do a couple baby refs. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit. I'm gonna provide a bit of a disclaimer real quick. Today's video is gonna be chaotic, okay? It's gonna be chaotic. I take a lot of pride in being the dumbest automotive YouTuber in the world. So we have this carpet right here to protect the splitter on the Huayra. Lift up, Natalia, you got it?
Even know where the
it's right here. I got you. I know everything about this car. I know everything.
This once and I'm on
This car sat here for 6 hours 2 days ago, so I know this car. Okay, you should be good. To all the NASA engineers watching today's video, they're gonna be out of job. Easy, absolutely easy. Great carpet treatment right there for none other. Let's go. Alex, you're dragging the carpet. You're dragging the carpet. That was kind of okay, so maybe the carpet wasn't the best idea. We are literally dragging carpet. Okay, we're good. No, we're fine. We're fine.
I was trying to look like Aladdin.
Yeah, you do look like Aladdin. He's Lambo Aladdin. So overall, the diffuser, you might lose a little bit of carbon fiber, but don't worry about it. It can be replaced. I told you guys today's video was going to be chaotic. I did not think we were going to drag carpet with the diffuser on the Aventura. Look at this squad. So I guess in the most likely sequence in a vlog ever, the Veyron looks like a Christmas tree. A bunch of amber lights right now. We have a parking brake, we have a TPMS, we have windshield washer, and we have an airbag. None of those seem that important. We should be good, right? Famous last words. I know they'll all cost a fortune to fix, but like, that don't matter. I mean, it does actually matter. It matters quite a bit. The car is going to Bugatti service, I think, in maybe 45 days. You know, we can always count on Alex to maximize the potential. Oh my gosh, he has no idea where we're even going. All the Chicago boys are being kind of sort of timid. We're starting to get Steve to come to life right now. That car looks so crazy on the road. All right, you know what? He's got an extra 500 horsepower. It's no biggie, no biggie. And out of absolutely nowhere, got the Huracan Spider. This is so crazy. So this Veyron and that Chiron, they're the only 2 Bugattis in the entire state of Utah, and we're rolling them together. You're totally good. You driving this thing like a grandma.
Does it usually smell like clutches bad?
Wow, I see you, Tommy. Wow, I thought the Chicago boys had a lead foot. What's happening?
Dude, this thing's awesome.
You gotta maximize the potential on this on the way home, okay? All right. And we just point out what an awful parking job everybody did, except for yours truly and Steve. What happened, Alex? What kind of parking job is that?
Hey,
what is happening?
Wide girl, you take good care of her.
She's a thick girl. She's a thick girl. Thick thighs save lives. You know that. Unbelievable. No, save it for Mexico, bro. Okay, we're 5 minutes from Mexico. Bye. See you later. Let's go. This Veyron is so good. Oh, I love this car so much. Yeah. We get it. You got 1,500 horsepower. Yeah, you got the turbo. This is such a ridiculous lineup of cars. We're going. Let's go, Bugatti. That's 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Let's go. No, that Chiron is so fast. This Veyron though, this car is 15 years old. 15 years old. That Chiron is fast, but this Veyron,
is no slouch.
Tommy's driving the Aventador Roadster. Honestly, Natalia's kind of disappointing. I couldn't even hear the car. I don't know what was going on. But I didn't even see the Murcielago. My audience has not even seen the Murcielago because where were you? What happened?
You know what? The clutch was smelling bad. So I was
oh my gosh, the clutch jokes. You realize the gas pedal's on the right.
See,
that was your mistake. That was your mistake.
How did you smell the clutch over your own body odor?
Wow. Okay, Steve. This morning, Steve borrowed my deodorant.
He hands it to me. There's a little one of his.
No, he's lying. He's lying. There was not. There was no armpit hair on that deodorant. That was clean and fresh.
Yeah, no.
You smell.
Dude, he smells delicious.
So somehow I ended up with the Chiron key. You're driving the Veyron.
Yes, sir.
Chrome and pink suits you, bro. You look good. She's for sale. Good. I'm just saying. So I think we should return this car back to Steve, pink and chrome. But actually, Tommy, make us proud, okay? Make us proud. I'm in the Chiron. You come up next to me. Full send it.
Well, get ready for these sound shifts.
Okay. I love it. This is crazy to go from a Veyron to a Chiron. Like, it is a Bugatti kind of day. When you look at a picture of a Bugatti owner, this is what you see, right? Right? Yeah, this is the guy. Yo, Steve looks good in that Veyron. He looks so good. He looks better than me. Steve, if you're watching this video, you look good in that car. Looks like we got a little Ferrari 430 action. My guy, the turbos in this car, how do they sound so good? I gotta make my car sound like that. I'm probably getting like 4 miles to the gallon right now, but you know what? It don't matter. I've told you guys this story many times. When I first moved to Utah, I worked at that hotel right there. It's the Montage Deer Valley. I was an administrative assistant making $17 an hour. And fast forward, it must be what, 6-7 years later, we are driving a Bugatti Chiron right by the hotel. Good times, but these times are a little bit better. That is sick. Let's see, Alex. I need an exhaust on that. Oh, that's so loud. I love that car so much. That car is so good. And we have a CRV to ruin our moment. There goes the wire. Where's Steven the Veyron though? There he is. This group of cars is so silly right now. And the Veyron in motion looks so good. And the sound of that car. Look at that thing. Are you kidding? In one of the crazier sequences in a vlog, I'm now in a McLaren Senna, and Alex is driving the Chiron. I don't know how to roll down the windows. Where are the windows on a Senna? I have no idea whatsoever. We've had some cool groups of cars on the channel, but this right here, Pagani Huayra, Murcielago, Liberty Walk Aventador, the Chiron, and then the Veyron in pole position. This is insanity. Yo, you want to shake and bake? Whoa! Who is driving the Aventador? Is that Natalia? Okay, wow. I messed up. Natalia messed me up right there. This Senna is so fast though. This thing is crazy. Oh my gosh. And of course, Alex and the Chiron. It's so crazy driving this McLaren Senna because this car is a featherweight compared to all the other cars. It's also the only car with rear wheel drive. Right when I got in the car, I had cold tires. I don't know if you guys can see. I was like a spaghetti noodle. So yeah, we saved it. We're good, but it was pretty close. Wow, Natalia, you flew by me at a very high rate of speed.
James said that I was slow and I wasn't taking advantage of driving the Aventador, so I saw Tommy go super fast in the Veyron. I'm like, I'm gonna follow him and we're gonna do it.
Was that a Mexico 55?
I think it only hit 170.
Kilometers.
Yeah,
we're on the same page. Kilometers. Yeah. No. What is that in miles per hour though? That's still pretty fast. Let's say
like
70 kilometers.
No, it was 170 kilometers an hour in Mexico.
Right, it was a Mexican 170. That's right. Yeah. Okay, we're good. I have no idea what sequence of events led to this. Oscar is riding in a Pagani Huayra. Oscar, you look so good in the car. Oscar truly is the King Flu. The amount of traffic for this car show is absolutely crazy. There are so many people here. This is gonna be look at all the cars. What is even going on? The Utah fam is coming out to support. This is unreal. And we have no choice. What's up? Yo, look at all these people. It's pretty sick, isn't it, dude?
Oh, yeah.
This is amazing. What's up? What's up? This is crazy. I don't really know what to say, but I tell you guys, the Utah fam is the best fam in the business. Wow, Johnny, you said you wanted a big car show.
Dude, what?
This is insane.
This is absolutely ridiculous. What's up? This is so crazy. This is so crazy. Well, we got the Chiron.
Hey, back up.
Hey. Bro, welcome to Utah.
This is madness,
Let's
man.
go, baby.
Wow, what a show.
And Oscar is in the water right now.
Is he
Oscar
really?
is riding. Look at him. Oscar, you are such a good floof. Sit, bud. Sit for Natalia. Sit. Sit. Yeah, you're a Pagani kind of floof. You're a Pagani floof. You guys have never looked better. Oscar, you're the best little floofer.
He was like putting his paws on
Probably
me
because
while
he's
we were
nervous right
driving.
now. You doing okay, Oscar?
He's doing great.
Yeah. It's kind of scary. There's a lot of people. They're all here to see you. Everybody here to see you. Come on, Alex. You got a rabbit, bro. Everybody's ready for you. Let's hear it, bro. Let's go. Let's go. You just scared a little 5-year-old kid. He went running for his life. Shout out to the 5-year-old that Alex just scared. He's good though. No, he's good.
Political career is shot.
Yeah, no, dude. Well, I'd vote for Alex for president. I told you guys it was going to be a chaotic video, and it was that and probably a little bit more. That show was insane. I've never experienced anything quite like that. We probably had 5,000 people there. It was completely overwhelming to each and every single one of you guys that came, the Utah fam. Thank you guys. So the Hamilton collection just got here, and they're already headed back on a flight back to Chicago. To Steve, to Tommy, to Natalia, to Aiden, to the kids. Thank you guys so much. Guys, the Hamilton collection, they're some of the most genuine, generous people I've ever met. They do the craziest stuff. We filmed a bunch of videos in Utah. You got to check them out. We had a very, very, very weird interaction with a lady at a gas station. You're probably not going to want to miss out on that video. It was interesting to say the very least. Oscar Floofa, how's the Wyra? You're a bougie Floofa, aren't you? You're a bougie Floofa. You like the Pagani life. Did the Italian leather feel good on your Floofa? Yes, it did. And I think that pretty much wraps up today's video. So here at the house, there's still a lot to do in the garage. Obviously, the floor's got to be done. We have an accent ceiling going in, accent walls. We got a couple fans showing up. We need glass for the office space. We need a deck right up there for the glass. We need a railing for safety, landscaping, excavation. We need furniture. We need so much furniture. I had 9 people stay here at the house. A handful of them slept on the floor. So to the Hamilton collection, thank you guys for dealing with my unpreparedness. Yeah, unpreparedness. And on that bombshell, today's video, yep, is over. So we're grabbing the thumbnail right now, which means I gotta climb up the dumpster. You can see it was a crazy weekend. Oh my gosh. You can see all the candy corn right there. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Check this out. Are you actually kidding me? Utah mountains right there. Is this not the greatest view you guys have ever seen? All the cars look so amazing together, especially, it was a weird weekend. It was a weird weekend.